What made Nikki's food and recipes stand out from the others that I've used or seen online were that it was real food that I would see in front of me that I could eat.
I love that the recipes all incorporate real foods. They incorporate a ton of color to it. Everything's natural with it, and I love that her recipes incorporate that.
Even my son enjoys it. We make the recipes together.
It is real food. It's not based on calorie counting. It's not based on, going through chemically altered fat-free items.
They were simple, they were quick, they didn't take too long to do, and my family loved them.
I'm not the world's greatest cook, so I'm actually not a great cook at all. It's so easy. No problem making the recipes. She lays out everything really easily.
I've never found a recipe that I don't enjoy eating. It makes it fun to know that the food's gonna taste really good.
It tastes magical. Her recipes are delicious, and I think that's probably the main reason that I really stuck with this for about 2 years.
But yeah, you do. You feel better, you feel like you have more energy, and it's just really amazing to actually eat foods and truly feel your body being nourished.
My skin looks great, my body looks great. I have so many people come up to me and just are like, your face is just glowing. And I'm like, well, thank you. I eat good food.
I actually feel a lot happier. You're sleeping better, your skin looks better, you feel better, you're nicer to people. 100% body friendly and self-love friendly. It made me fall back in love with food again.